Namaste. Welcome to Hema Foundation. We are going to discuss the periodic classification of elements and connecting this with the value of emotional intelligence. The procedure in which chemical elements are classified and grouped depending on their characteristics is known as periodic classification of elements. The periodic table lists all the elements with information about their atomic weights, chemical symbols, and atomic numbers. The arrangement of the periodic table leads us to visualize certain trends among the atoms. It is based on the atomic number of elements. Classification helps us to predict the properties of elements and their compounds based on their positions in the periodic table and vice versa. It becomes easier to study, to understand, to compare and contrast the related properties among the elements and their compounds from different groups. This means the complete history of an element can be predicted from the table and also project even how they will behave if they combine with other elements. How does emotional intelligence come in here? Emotional intelligence is most often defined as the ability to perceive, use, understand, manage, and handle emotions. An emotionally intelligent person is socially aware of his behaviors, communicates effectively, and empathetic and self-regulated. The periodic table of elements is something like an emotionally stable behavior, very organized, self-regulated, and communicates what needs to be communicated. You can correlate the importance of values like discipline, integrity, and teamwork in life while explaining the importance of classifications of elements and how it helps us to study the behavior of elements with ease. You see the importance of organizing and classifying things and thoughts. This is termed as self-discipline. Another interesting observation is like the elements in the possible periodic table, each one of us is unique. It is important to understand our own qualities and capabilities and always keep one's integrity. However, there is more to be done in the area of bonding with others to form compounds. The periodic table of elements encourages us to network, to collaborate, build community, form alliances, which overall can be termed as teamwork. Answer the following questions.